welcome to another video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. Thanks a lot for clicking on my video today. I really appreciate your time and attention very much. And if you like what you see, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need screen printing equipment or supplies, check out CatspitScreenPrintSupply.com. All right, so today we're going to look at another short video that Ranar made about the Cruiser screen printing system, which is a screen printing press which has a little dryer underneath the press actually. Okay, so it's kind of like an all-in-one little setup. It has casters, it's really easy to move around, and it was kind of designed for that point-of-sale screen printer who does events or that sort of thing where you might actually take the screen printing press on location. All right, so this is the assembly video. It shows you a little bit about how to assemble the scamp that goes underneath the Cruiser, which is actually the top end of a Vista series press. So pretty cool video, check it out. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. I appreciate your attention here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, check out CatspitScreenPrintSupply.com if you need screen printing equipment or supplies. Thanks again for watching, and of course, we will see you next time.